Well, okay, I didn't tell me I see you. You're a handsome boy. You are not supposed to be Nigeria. You are supposed to be Ghana. Because you are looking like somebody I get a Ghana. You not Ghana boy.
No, no, be Ghana boy. I'm from Nigeria.
You know, but Nigeria people like money. If you go for Nigeria, I know the joke with your money. All of them now money. If you don't get money, you have a problem. Hey, my friend, tell lady, this is what I don't want to finish. This is what I chop money.
Oh,
this is what they say money now. What for your body?
This one, your brother.
This is my brother for another mother. I just can't find me.
True, another mother. Because it don't look like.
It don't look like me. This is one of our. Yeah, me I be short man, but I be bouncer for where you dey. Allah. So, you know, quickly.
But this one way sit down for a while. I never, it don't tell what I see you.
Allah.
What happen now?
The better you say, when you see better thing, you go there for long. Now, bad thing person at the day back, but this is a better thing. I don't go down home and shop. I won't go buy something for there. As I go there, well, I see one bacon and I don't get healed. They don't get a people will maybe like implicated me. I will talk to them.
Wait, make I tell you. You know, say this street, you don't ask of who get this street. Then they call me chairman.
No trader.
All the whole guests when they pass for this street, I mean they get them.
So
anyone where you see where you like, I mean go tell you say go or no go. Make I see. If you see him, show me whether I'm my own.
Well, if you dress at the talk to that one, you move your leg. I will tell you to foul. Well, I will tell you to foul.
If now,
no
see one your brother.
No verse. I never seen the one is at the act like this. Okay, say down facing. Now this is not my own. Me, I know this struggle for your own. Kulia, oh God, this I don't talk to them finish. I don't first talk to them. Allah. See the body they come.
No, better they come. Your own time is by 7 o'clock. I still get more people to catch up now. Your own time about 5 o'clock people today. I beg. Which kind of one be this one? You know go.
Hey, well now I see the body.
But if na that guy they owe them for their shop, I beg. No tell them say they here.
Find it.
What's happen now?
Okay, no face. Oh, let's say I'll find like 100 people. Now maybe they are okay and then step in for that shop. I will talk to you. That shop I see the white scented.
Okay.
Now you be that. Now maybe that I don't find you. Now because of you I don't come out. I just sit down with my friend and say I go pass. Because of you I don't enter my eye. Me I don't fall in love. Me I like you well la. Me I don't fall in love. I go take a door. So
I know they do love, so love don't pass. Now small children they do love.
So now what you do?
Also they on hook up stuff.
Hook up.
Now hook up.
No, this is what I tell me now. Very nice and Allah. You are the luck hook up. Then how much had to collect for hook up?
I'm working at 10,000 they take home. 10,000.
Now the way is the one cent with my label. With my label, I'll give you 20,000. 20. They show me again. I'm working. You are telling that now for work they are the state. My house is no far.
So your house no far because I got another client. You know, so us know the waste.
Oh, no, let it learn. Just said there's some more thing I go put the water.
No problem. I'm over there.
No, that's what Aboki done they do with hookup guests. You go quickly get infection. No, you see, I already they die now. I already they die. So don't show for anybody. Aboki, would they here?
In the yard they say wait, Allah.
Aboki,
I tell you now, Aboki.
No, don't go waste my time.
I know the waste time. I know the waste time.
I no get time.
You keep quiet. Wow, this is our house. Sit down. Oh, I give me everything. Yo, sit down. This I don't get time to waste. You are telling me I go put Allah. Sit down.
I don't get time. Can you say I tell you I don't get time.
I don't know what the look. Wait,
I tell you say I don't get time.
Wait at the phone. This is what. Hey, now this is what I'm making. What is the problem? What's the happen?
I bet I won't go down to say.
Not the auntie. Don't go, no problem. It's one. They are play. If I finish, I will come there. Not the auntie. They go, and then that go. Fine boy. If you be sitting on my boy, look what you have to do.
Alaji, come, abeg, my money for hand, abeg, give me my money. This one wey people don dey call.
That will not be
I don't
problem.
want today waste, abeg, give me the
Well, let that will not be
money for
problem.
hand.
Money. I tell you 20,000. Hold on.
Incomplete, Alaji, give me am. Alaji, incomplete.
Correct. That one you know.
Because my 1 time naira no go like that today. I don't find a buyer. Aboki. Oh, my lord.
Wetin happen? Now this one dey find you again. Wetin happen?
Well, no face.
I don't get that. I go come after this one. I don't come.
No face. Allah.
Afa, this one the young woman voice for your this year. Give me my money now. Let's go embarrass you.
What I love you now, enemies of progress. When person they carry better chair, I won't get a clear. I love you, I will just come from different amisha.
So maybe you now very good to carry better thing. Give me 1,000.
Let's do the shot and before you ring the year. Because I want us to make the shot. You know, we can't come out here. Take this one time to go.
I see you.
You said maybe my brother again. I don't play with you. Well, if anybody come here again, what I will do the person? What I will do that person will let that person I will just say, Nina Aboke will not come. Anytime they on better something, another time people are come. Wait.
Like these people will pay me all my rent today. How can this tenant they will be living in someone's house to pay rent to be their problem? Let me see if Okechukwu is around. Okechukwu, you can imagine, the idiot even locked the house. That's how Okechukwu has been behaving. Whenever his rent is due, Okechukwu will vanish. Instead, he will start lodging in different hotels just to avoid paying me this money. Don't worry, you will not see your own house to build. Sandra. Oh my God. When will Sandra sit down one day like this to take care of herself? Every time, hook up. I don't know why she came to this Port Harcourt. Hook up morning, hook up night. Sandra will not rest. Don't worry. No message will catch up with this hook up. Aboki. Oh my God. Aboki have been owing me 20,000 naira for the past 6 months. Aboki have been avoiding me. To pass through my passage, Aboki will not pass again. He's not following backyard so that I will not see him. But don't worry, let me even check if the idiot is around. Oh, he's even around. Good. Aboki!
Oh, Aboki, wetin be this one again?
Hey, Olena, what am I doing? Knock on my door.
How people go?
No, I don't I will finish the person.
You can imagine. Ojúmọ́.
Hey, Oga. Lewis. Hey.
The one is that this one though. Someone that have been owing me 20,000 naira. I got that people to dress me. You're touching me about
Oga Lewis.
I should not
Lewis. Allah.
So about it, you have been hiding on this one.
Okay, now woke up. Allah.
Wait. What? Wait.
Come. Wait, I'm not about to make my money.
Someone say I collect my money. Sure, the old landlord dey call me. Oh, they like all this kind of clients.
Who
is this girl?
This is the who can't allow. I will explain.
I no get time.
Wait.
Oga, no be you I come.
So you have to that's it.
You need the phone. I don't give my money.
Is that like wait. So this is what you have been doing with my house.
No,
you brought a mini pickup here. Again, they're supposed to be your land for your granddaughter.
No, someone collected the money. The money. The money. The who got taken above.
You know that? Come on, what you gonna do about that? Follow me. You have to be patient with me. I'm not watching me water. Don't worry.